these products are going to change your hair game. So let's get into it. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, you are definitely welcome. Like, just take a seat and let's chill together. I will be showing you my favorite hair products. These are the hair products that I'm spending my money on this year. I know 2024 is not all about buying new products because we don't really want to spend money. This year we are saving on hair products. So I will be showing you my favorite hair product, why I like it, why I'll be repurchasing it. So let's get started. My favorite shampoo and conditioner at the moment, the Joico Defy Damage shampoo. I'm also gonna put it here, and I'm also gonna put it in the description box below. This shampoo is amazing. Like, it does so much in like cleansing your hair. Like, you know, when your hair is dirty and you need something to clean your hair, to wash it thoroughly, this is your baby girl. This is actually doing so good for me. I also use it for my daughter, and trust me, it's been amazing. I'll definitely be repurchasing this. I love them both. I won't lie to you, this conditioner actually softens my hair. Like, you know, when your hair is so strong and you just apply this and you can slip a brush through, like, this conditioner does the job. I love it. Definitely will be repurchasing it. Itchy scalp, dandruff, irritation, this is your girl. This shampoo is what you should be using. I don't need to repeat myself. This is what you should buy. This is what you should be using the best when it comes to itchiness, scalp irritation, everything. Mizani Moroccan Clay Steam Mask. I love this. Is a babe. This is a she. This girl is amazing. This girl deep conditions your hair very well. It is an intensive deep condition treatment. If you need your hair and your curls to be defined after, this is your girl. Go get her. And let me tell you, I went to a salon in Nigeria to just treat my hair, and guess what? She was using this. She was using this, and she's like, oh, we use this for customer because this thing does a good job. And I'm like, of course I have this. It does a job. It really defines your hair. It softens your hair. It's good for fussy girlies. Of course you should buy this. It's at World Deep Conditioner Treatment. If you ask me to pick between this and the Mizani, I don't know the one I'll choose, but I love her. She also like defines your hair, deep conditions your hair, and really good. I'll testify to this. She worked magic while she was doing this. Really good. I love it so much. I will definitely be purchasing it. If I don't have my Mizani on hand, I'll get this. Anyway, I'll be using this. So Olaplex has been doing the job since day one. Like, we all know, like, Olaplex has been helping with our hair treatment. Will I be buying Olaplex again? Yes, I would. Even if this is the only Olaplex product I might be repurchasing every time. I bring to you pattern. I don't know what she did to this, but this leave-in conditioner is actually very good. It softens your hair. Like, you know, when your fussy is crunchy, spray water and this pattern, like, just those two, magic. Softens your hair. Well, I definitely be repurchasing this. I don't know why you're not in Sephora right now picking one, because she is a good one to have. So one hydrating leave-in conditioner that you need to have is this Carol's hydrating leave-in conditioner. You just spray it and go out. Spray, I think it should be like Have this, spray it and go. Very, very good. Very lightweight, does the magic. Moisturize your hair, hydrate your hair. You should definitely have this. I don't know why I'm telling you this. You should be at the store picking this one. I'm gonna stay organic. So if you're in Nigeria and you need a very hydrating moisturizer, leave-in conditioner that hydrate, it has aloe vera. I love the smell. I love how it does, like, I love the work it does. Actually, it really detangles your hair. It actually softens your hair, moisturizes your hair. I would say this is actually the aloe vera version of this. Will I buy this again? Yes. If you're in Nigeria, you can pick it up at All Naturals. I know they have it because I got it there, and I think I got it around like maybe 9,000 naira. But I love it. Would definitely be repurchasing this. I notice its protectants is everywhere, but will I be buying it again? Yes. It is the wow. Yeah, I love it. I know it's art, but will I buy this? Yes, because it works for me. So do what works for you. But she is also one that you should have, and it's recommended to always use like an heat protectant. So why, girl? I also have another heat protectant that I love. It is actually the L'Oreal Stylistic heat protectant. I love this. I don't know what is inside, but L'Oreal always does magic. And this one, just like the wow heat protectant is more like a spray, while this is actually creamy. So if you want like a cream to rub on your hair like this, heat protectant. Anyways, you can go wrong with having too much heat protectant. Like, I've never heard of it. So this is actually a good one to have too. It is the Ordinary Hair Care Multi-Peptide Serum for hair density. It does make your hair thicker. The Ordinary did a magic on this. Like, it's actually gonna make me want to try like the Ordinary Hair brand, because I've not tried their shampoo and their conditioner, but because of this I would definitely be buying that, because I actually did not have I think all my hair in front like went off from like postpartum hair loss, but this actually did magic for me. I would recommend this if you want to get this. I got this at Sephora, so you should be at Sephora too. Picking how many things now? Probably 4 things. This is actually my favorite mousse. I love this mousse. I just keep repurchasing it. I don't know why. I just think I love the pump. Yeah, because this is not like the one like Dove or something that breaks. This is actually very easy. I love the fact that you get to finish your product. Yeah, with this mousse, I tell you, you get to finish your product. So I always buy this every single time at Walmart. So just in case you're looking for a mousse that does the magic for your hair. A twist defining cream that I love to use is As I Am Twist Defining Cream. I just love how this actually give your hair that color, that definition after using this. This is a must have if you like styling your hair, like doing like the twist out and all. You should buy this. It does the work for like giving you that definition when you losing that twist. So Shine and Jam has been shining and jamming those edges since it came out. I always keep buying this for braids when I want to like slick my edges. I actually use it for my edges more. This TGI Daily Butter. I have been using this like forever. TGI, you need to send me some, because at this point me and you should be having a relationship, because I use this like every single time. You can see it almost done. Like, I always buy this every single time, because this daily hair butter, it moisturizes your hair. You know, when you're looking for an hair product that you can use daily on your hair that gives your hair that shine, TGIN got you. Thank God it's natural. Thank God it's working. This product, I love it. I really, really love it. I use it also for my daughter for her hair, and it also does the magic too. Finally, I know everyone is crazy about rosemary and mint. Rosemary and mint. I have this leave-in conditioner spray. It's actually the rosemary and mint oil. I love this because I don't need to actually start boiling rosemary and mint oil. This works. This is natural. If you are crazy about using like rosemary or mint to grow your hair and you don't want to go through all this process, then you should get this. I love it. Will I be buying it? Yes. These are my must-have products. I would definitely be repurchasing them. I love them so much. It works so good for my hair. It is amazing. Most of them, they actually soften my hair and gives it that shine. Let me know if you guys have tried any of those products, and let me know your favorite products. Anyone you want me to try, kindly comment if you've used any of this product before and if you love them, or if you don't love them, let me know why. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye. Please don't forget to do the lovely things you guys do. Subscribe, love, like, share, do all those things you guys do, because you guys, I love you guys so much.